In large construction projects, especially embankment, soil compaction is vital for the long-term stability of the structure. Today, we're going to walk through the process of compacting a 6-inch embankment soil layer using a sheep-foot roller, a tool designed to tackle even the most challenging soils. The first step in compacting any soil layer is preparation. Before using the sheep-foot roller, you must ensure that the soil is evenly spread and leveled to a 6-inch thickness. This can be done using a bulldozer or grader. It's essential that the soil is free of large clumps and debris, as this could interfere with the compaction process. Once the layer is level, you can proceed with compaction. If the soil is too wet or dry, the compaction effectiveness will be reduced, so you may need to adjust the moisture content to optimal levels. Next, you'll want to set up the sheep-foot roller. This specialized compaction machine is ideal for cohesive soils like clay, which are often used in embankments. Before starting, make sure that the roller is in good working condition. The lugs or feet for any wear, as damaged feet can affect compaction quality. The roller should be set to the appropriate speed and pressure for compacting a 6-inch layer. The high pressure generated by the feet, combined with their depth of penetration, ensures the soil is compacted uniformly and effectively. Now, it's time to start compacting the soil. Begin by driving the sheep-foot roller across the 6-inch layer of soil in straight lines. As the roller moves forward, its feet will penetrate the soil, applying substantial pressure. For a 6-inch layer, it's recommended to make multiple passes with the roller to achieve uniform compaction. Typically, you should make 3 to 4 passes to ensure the soil is compacted evenly. After each pass, check the soil's consistency and density. The goal is to achieve a compaction ratio that meets the specifications for your embankment project. After each pass, it's important to check the compaction. You can use a soil density meter or perform a Proctor test to ensure the soil is compacted to the required level. For most embankment projects, the soil should reach around 95% of Proctor density to provide optimal support for the structure. If the soil has not reached this level, additional passes may be required. In some cases, soil moisture plays a key role in achieving proper compaction. If the soil is too dry, you may need to add water to improve the compaction process. Moisture helps the soil particles bond together, allowing for better compaction. Just be sure not to overwater the soil, as this can cause it to become too soft. Once the correct moisture level is reached, make the final pass with the sheep-foot roller. This final pass ensures that the soil is firmly compacted and free of air pockets or voids. Once you've completed the compaction, perform a final inspection of the soil. Check for any soft spots or areas that may need additional compaction. Also verify the level and alignment of the soil layer, ensuring it meets the required specifications for the embankment if necessary. Make additional passes with the sheep-foot roller until the soil is fully compacted and the layer is solid and stable. And there you have it. That's the full procedure for compacting a 6-inch embankment soil layer using a sheep-foot roller. Proper compaction is crucial to the strength and stability of any embankment, and the sheep-foot roller's deep penetration ensures that the soil will remain stable for years to come. Whether you're building levees, embankments, or road beds, using the right compaction technique is essential for a durable and safe structure. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more engineering insights. See you in the next video.